All this moringa in here. I love it. Moringa in here, moringa over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed, bro. Then all this is mangoes. They got a yoga deck. Man, I ain't been this impressed in a long time. Shout out to all the gardeners that's watching this. Shout out to all the gardeners I go to, man. Like this is, I think he said they got 7 acres out here, man. And they let their kids come out here every Saturday. Look at this, man. This is like amazing, bro. You say, man, stay out here as long as you want to. Look, you got lemongrass all over. Look at all the lettuce. On the other side, they got cabbage. Bro, this is what our kids supposed to be learning, how to survive off the land, bro. Kids supposed to be learning this. Not TikTok dances. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like, and this ain't hard to do. Look, moringa trees over here. If you don't know about moringa, go find out. Go do your own research. Dog, it keep going. That's why he said it keeps going. Didn't say it in a cocky way. Said it in a, yeah, man, when it comes to agriculture, we need to learn this. This is, man, look at this, man. Didn't buy the building. Oh my goodness. I did not know it did all this. Wow. I'm truly impressed, man. It's a blessing, man. Right off of the expressway, too. Look at this, man. Look how much land they working with. And they're utilizing every piece of it. They're utilizing every piece of it. Look at all this mulch. Mulch and compost. Oh my goodness, bruh. This is what I needed for the new year. You don't understand how inspired I am, man. You could live off this, man. Listen, you want this on your land, I don't care how much land you got. If you got a half an acre, quarter acre, a third of an acre, you want to learn how to start doing this now and showing your kids how to do this. For one, so they can understand where food come from. That's first and foremost. Secondly, you want this so you cutting the cost down at your home. Look at all these bananas. Look at this now. I'm talking about from kale to collard greens. They got everything. I've never seen a spot have this much. Look, everywhere you turn. Only the real ones is impressed, man. Only look. I'm talking about everything from broccoli to everything from kale, different types of kale to cabbage. Look at this, man. Every sign that I'm in. I'm still walking, man. 7 acres. Some people don't know how much 7 acres is. That's a lot, bro. Look. It look like when you watch movies and people live off the grid. This is how it looks. This is how it look, bro. Man, people don't understand the health benefits when you growing your own stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's all natural. Ain't nothing sprayed. Look at this, man. If you don't know what moringa trees are, look. They have moringa trees everywhere you turn, bro. Everywhere you turn, bro. Look at this. No, now my Jamaicans know what this is. My island people know what this is. I'm gonna zoom in on it. If you know what that is, type it in the comments. Type it in the comments if you know what tree that is. Look. Look at all these moringa trees, man. I'm impressed, bro. Look at all these moringa trees. I'm impressed, bro. If you know anything about moringa trees, you know that this is all the CVS Walgreens you need. If you know what to do. Look at this, man. If you know what to do with these trees right here, man, there's so many health benefits with that. You just gotta look it up. Be a fact checker. Don't listen to me. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. I want to see some soursop trees out here. Look. No trash. All fruits, veggies, coffee grinds. Look. No meat, chicken. Look. That's where they compost at. Oh my God, I love it, bruh. I love it. Then I'm gonna blow your mind too. It looked like they had a, look. This purifies. Like if you got this in your office right here, that snake plant, go look it up. Go look up what a snake plant do. That's what you do. This the day of fact checking. Basically purifying the air, especially if you got sinus, if you got asthma. You know what I'm saying? Some things you don't even need to buy electronics for. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is where they starting all the seedlings at. Look. This is where they starting all the seedlings at. You start the growth here, and then they transport it to different pots, like a bigger pot like this, and then bigger. Look, hydroponics. Look at this, bro. Everything that I talk about or daydream about, they already got it. That's amazing, bro. Look, I ain't making this up. Look. Wow. And now I've been doing this long enough, I used to be impressed by, it's a couple Jamaicans that I'm real cool with. They used to blow my mind by all the stuff that they knew by just looking at leaves. They can tell you what the plant is. And now I've been doing this long enough to do that. That part with the multivitamins part right there.
So moringa is a highly nutritional plant. It's basically like a multivitamin in a plant. You can eat the leaves. You can eat the seed pods.
Right.
You can eat even the roots. So all part of it is good for you.
Right.
And beneficial for the garden as well. So
right.
It's a really powerful plant.
Right, man.
Have you ever had like fresh tomatoes grown off a plant? Because it's a totally different thing. And these, this system here, as well as these tanks, and then another type of system. So there's like 3 different systems. And if you see a nice black one, pull it off because they're super good. Really tasty.
Wow.
So then we'll just take a walk. So in here, even though this all looks very wild, this is called a century system. So there's a bunch of different rows in here where we have fruit trees. So there's all different varieties of fruit trees. They're all being grown in a system where you've got different canopy trees that are supporting each other. So even though it looks kind of like little beautiful flowers, it's actually a very pretty plant. I mean, when it flowers. We got kale in here, broccoli, kale, green. And this in here is kind of part of, it's a little clear to see it, but this is like the century system. So you see we have rows of like bananas and moringa or Mexican sunflower. So we've got 4 different rows, and then in between we've got some brassicas. So we've got some kale growing, and basically the whole system is supported. So this gives a little bit of shade.
I was about to ask you that.
It gives shade, but it also gives support network underneath. Because all the roots and everything is like.
Just had an awesome tour, man. I need to edit this and chop this up, man. I'm so impressed. Bro. Anytime I get around things that I know that we need, I'm talking about, have a good one, all right? Thank you so much for all the information. All right. Great tour. Super awesome, man. Super friendly people and very educational. That's the key word, educational. Man, y'all got to bring y'all kids out here. I'm going to drop the information and I'm going to tag them.